trying to focus. Yeah, he's that big. Can't focus on the little fella. There you go. That's him there. I'm going to reball this guy. I'll just put my phone back on the stand so you can see me do the reball. Okay, so we don't want to lose this guy because he's like literally a speck. Okay. So there he is, little guy. So how do we reball this little guy? He is so tiny. Let's cover him some flux first. Oh damn, the flux was too big. He's lost in the flux. I fluxed him hard. Okay, so flipped him upside down. Okay, I needed to really zoom in on this little guy, but I don't think you can. You'll be able to see unless I crank up the visuals of the thing a bit. Okay. Yep. Sorry, the exposure, that's what it's called, yeah. Okay, so that hasn't really helped at all. It's very dark. Well, that's like the best I can do, closest I can get. I can get much closer, but what happens is I can't actually yeah, you won't be able to see that on the screen because of the exposure. Okay, so this is the IC that we've now just cleaned up. So I'm going to clean it with some alcohol. And oh no, we've lost him. Oh, there he is. He's stuck on the cotton bud. Okay. Come back, little IC. We need you. So frustrating. Anyway, so that's the little IC, and we are going to reball him now. Can we reball the little guy? So the smallest stencil I have is this, but still that is not small enough. I think this is the smallest I see in the world. Okay, so okay, nice. So he's in there. Get a little bit of solder paste. Where is the solder paste? One sec. Solder paste. Okay. Let me put some at the tip of our cotton bud. That's all it is. Okay, so that's how I'll solve the piece. Don't move. Turn down the airflow because it's going to blow everything everywhere. So we just go slowly, round and round, round and round. Nice. Nice, that looks nice. Now we're going to take this guy out because it's stuck in there. And that little IC. There we go. Little IC stuck. Oh my god, it's covered in solid balls and oh, get off. Yeah, let's spray him with some alcohol. The heck? Oh, what the hell that is? Oh, we've lost him. Oh no, there he is. There he is. We got him. We got him. That's a pretty good job. Chip has a little bit of damage, but hopefully this will be working. Now we want to grab this little guy without dropping him, because if I do drop him, I probably won't be able to find him ever again.